Stress patterns in ordinal numbers. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will explore the topic of stress patterns in ordinal numbers. Understanding word stress is essential for clear and effective communication in English, and knowing how to stress ordinal numbers correctly will help you improve your pronunciation skills. So, let's dive in. Ordinal numbers are used to indicate the position or order of something in a series. For example, first, second, third, and so on. Unlike cardinal numbers, which represent quantity, ordinal numbers show the rank or position of an item. It's important to note that in English, most ordinal numbers have a specific stress pattern that we need to follow for accurate pronunciation. When it comes to stress patterns in ordinal numbers, there are some general rules to keep in mind. The stress usually falls on the syllable that corresponds to the unit or digit of the ordinal number. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. First, the stress falls on the first syllable, first. Second, the stress falls on the first syllable, sec, as it corresponds to the sec in second. Third, the stress falls on the first syllable, third. Fourth, the stress falls on the first syllable, fourth. Fifth, the stress falls on the first syllable, fifth. Remember, the stress falls on the syllable that corresponds to the unit or digit in the ordinal number. While most ordinal numbers follow the stress patterns we discussed earlier, there are a few exceptions. Let's take a look at them. 11th. The stress falls on the second syllable, e, in, 11th. 12th. The stress falls on the first syllable, 12th. These exceptions are unique, so it's essential to remember their specific stress patterns. Now it's time for a practice exercise. I will say a series of ordinal numbers, and you can repeat them after me, focusing on the correct stress patterns. Here we go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 11th, 12th. Great job! Practicing these stress patterns will help you improve your pronunciation of ordinal numbers. Congratulations! You've learned about stress patterns in ordinal numbers. Remember to stress the syllable that corresponds to the unit or digit of the ordinal number. Keep practicing and incorporating these stress patterns into your everyday English conversations. Stay tuned for more exciting English language learning videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.